Hello, my dear ones. Welcome to Bharat Mada Google Classroom. Making a shower. It was an evening after a heavy rain. Grandfather was picking flowers from the jasmine bush under the sandalwood tree. The leaves of the tree were full of raindrops. I knew I could make rain if I shook the tree, and grandfather and I would get a good shower. I liked bathing in the rain, but he might not like it. But it would be great fun. So, children, it was an evening time after a heavy rain. What was the grandfather doing? He was picking flowers from the jasmine bush under the sandalwood tree. And the leaves of the flower were full of raindrops. Then this Raja wanted to shake that tree. You know why? Because he wanted to get a good shower. Okay? He liked it very much, but he was afraid whether his grandfather liked it or not. But he thought that it would be a great fun if he make a shower. So I quietly went near the sandalwood tree and shook it with all my strength. There was a heavy shower, and both grandfather and I were soaked. I loved it, but grandfather did not. He turned to me with an angry look. I was sure he would catch me and beat me, so I ran. He ran after me. I ran fast, but he ran faster. He had almost caught me when he stumbled and fell. So, children, this Raja quietly went near to the tree and shook it with all his strength. Then what happened? Both of them, both Raja and grandfather, were shocked. This boy liked it very much, but what happened? Grandfather turned very angry. He was sure that grandfather would definitely beat him, so he ran. And what happened then? Grandfather ran after him. But what happened? Grandfather fell down. Grandfather, he stumbled and fell down. Okay. So, children, stumbled means to hit the foot against something while running or walking. Okay. Let's continue now. I ran away to the paddy fields and hid myself there. I heard grandfather shout that he would teach me a lesson when I came back home. So this boy, he was really afraid of his grandfather, so he ran away and hid in a paddy field, and his grandfather was telling he would teach him a lesson when he comes back. I did not want to go home because I feared grandfather would beat me. I stayed on in the fields. It was getting dark. I was afraid to stay there alone in the darkness. I remembered all the ghost stories I had heard. I stood up, looked around, and then ran towards home. Okay. He's a small boy and he's afraid of darkness, as we all. Okay. So this boy stood up and looked around, then he ran towards home. I was still afraid to face grandfather, so I did not go inside the house. I went to the cowshed and took shelter in the loft. From there, I could see grandfather sitting on the veranda saying his prayers. Okay. Then what happened, children? This boy went home, but he did not enter inside the house. Where did he go? He went to the cowshed and took shelter in the loft. Okay, well, loft means what? Space under that roof. Okay, the space or room under a roof. And from there, I could see my grandfather sitting on the veranda saying his prayers. So from by sitting there, he could see his grandfather and the veranda of his house. Then, grandmother was waiting for me when I did not turn up. She looked for me everywhere in the house. Then she came out and called aloud for me, thinking that I was somewhere in the garden. She did not get any answer. Then she went to grandfather and asked him where I was. You look for him in the house, grandfather said. He's hiding somewhere. He's not in the house, grandmother said. I looked for him everywhere. The grandmother, hope you remember grandmother. He Raja loves his grandmother very much. Okay, this grandmother was waiting for Raja. When he did not turn up, she looked everywhere and he called aloud for him, but she did not get any answer. Then she asked grandfather where Raja was. Then he said he may be hiding somewhere, you go and search. Then she replied that she has searched everywhere but she couldn't find Raja anywhere. Okay. So children, now you have to write the meaning of these underlined words, refer a dictionary and write the correct meaning. Then let us discuss the questions and answers. What is sixth question? Who do you like to play with at home? It's a question for you. You can write the apt answer. Okay, you can write like this: I like to play with my friend, or I like to play with my brother, like that. Okay, that is your choice. You can write. What was the reaction of grandfather when he was soaked in the shower? What was his reaction? The grandfather got angry when he was soaked in the shower. Okay. Then what is next question? Why did Raja select the loft in the cowshed as his hiding place? Raja selected the loft in the cowshed as his hiding place because it was closer to his house and he could see grandfather sitting on the veranda. Okay. Then next question. Grandmother was extremely worried when he knew that there is a mistake in it, when she knew that Raja was missing. Pick out the sentences from the passage which convey this idea. Which line shows that she is worried? The sentence, when I did not turn up, she looked for me everywhere in the house and she came out and called aloud for me, thinking that I was somewhere in the garden, conveys the idea. Okay, so we will be meeting with the next part of the story. The news spreads. Thank you.